Okay, so here comes chaos. Whenever I do my editorial looks, chaos ensues because it's a creative process, as you can see already. I'm not even worried about my camera angle. So I'm going to be using the Chameleon Professional Water Activated Body Paint. This is safe for your face and your body, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to put some just water in the cap, and I'm going to use a little tiny brush and like a liner brush or whatever. These look like fishnets. Fishnets? What are fishnets? Fishnets. Okay, I'm already losing faith as quickly as I started this, and I also feel like the black look that I wanted to do, this is not going to be black enough. You know what? I'm actually going to remove my makeup from the bottom half of my face because I feel like it's just making everything look really gray and just not sitting nicely. Body paints. Don't love makeup. Okay, good to know. That looks really cool. I'm so happy with that. But we have to go back and do the eyes. I have to fix my nose. It looks a bit crooked. Okay. Annoying but necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and block my brows first. A metal one. And I'm just gonna brush on my brows, make sure there's no product in there. And this looks so weird. Some no color powder by RCMA, and I'm going to set my brows with that first. I might use a hair dryer to maybe help speed that up a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and put foundation all over that now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on that cool effect I wanted to give my eyes. So for that, the first thing I'm going to use is the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I should have just done this thing on the last, but whatever. And I'm just going to prime all over here. Okay, now I'm going to take some of the RCMA powder, the no color powder, and I'm going to just put quite a bit at the bottom of my eyes. So let us create our first line. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and get some black eyeshadow on a little pencil brush. And I'm just going to try to blend that out. I don't know the shape I'm going for, but that looks a bit scary. I'm just going to use my pencil brush again and put some color into the brows. These look like really scary, horrible eyebrows right now. So now I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to go into a brown shade, a Cypress Umber shade here. And I'm going to go ahead and just buff that out a bit, I think. Did I just ruin it? I probably just did. I think I make it work. I think we can make this work at the end. Okay, now I'm going to clean up my lower lash line with some micellar water. Not my lower lash line, just underneath here, just to get a really clean shape. I think I'm going to set this with a bit of powder now. Thanks for still being here if you're still here. Like, I really appreciate that. Okay, let's do a massive wing. So I'm going to go ahead and use this white Hydra liner by Suva Beauty. And I'm going to create an inner corner. I need to put on mascara because sometimes I just have to like jump from one thing to another just because I feel like I just can't see how it's going to look done. I'm going to use a bit of black eyeshadow again, a pencil brush on the lower lash line. I think I need to remove this powder. Let me do the lashes first. I have these really cool lashes. They're super ginormous and long and I love them, and I'm going to use these guys. So I'm going to now create that thing on my head. So I'm just going to fix my hair one more time. I'm going to use some gel. with a black liner. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. I feel like this might ruin everything. Dude, that looks perfect. I love that. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just kind of like my chaotic thing. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe post some pictures in the end, or just like do the whole extra bits that I'm gonna do. But I hope you guys like this video. I don't know what I'm gonna call this. She's scary, but she is fierce. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Bleh, 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 bleh.